So guys, in this video we will create a CSV file. Okay, so if you are using Pandas for data science, obviously you will use CSV files a lot in future, right? So we will see how to create a CSV file using the Python codes. Okay, so assume we have this df table, right? So let's see it. Yeah, we have this df table. So we will create a CSV file which will contain these values. Okay, so to create a CSV file, you just need to write the variable name and then dot, then 2 underscore CSV. Okay, that's it. Now put a parenthesis and write the file name. So assume we want to write the file name as a marksheet dot CSV. Okay, great. Now if I run it, okay, it is showing an error. The error is because we didn't put the file name in inverted commas. We have to put in inverted commas. Great. Now if I run it, you can see no error. Now if you go into this folder, you can see we have this file. Obviously it is created into your normal folder as well. This is the normal folder, and you can see this marksheet.csv is created. So let me just make it large icon, so you can see this marksheet.csv is now created, and you can open it with Microsoft Excel. So let's open it. Great. Now let me increase the font size. Okay, so you can see this is the exact table which we created using Pandas, right? So in this way you can create a CSV file from whatever data frame you are creating. Okay.